In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Cloudways control panel. If you're coming from traditional hosting, this can feel a little unfamiliar at first. With Cloudways, you're not looking for an old style cPanel login, a DHM page, or a custom server URL. Everything is managed through one central browser-based platform, and once you know where that entry point is, the process becomes very straightforward. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Go to the address bar and type in platform.cloudways.com, then press enter. This is the official login portal for accessing your Cloudways dashboard. Before you continue, take a quick moment to confirm that the page is loading securely. You should see the usual browser security indicators, such as a padlock icon, which helps confirm that you are connecting to the legitimate platform. Once the login page appears, you can sign in using the method connected to your account. The standard option is to enter your account email address in the email field. Then type your password and click the login button. If your account is connected through single sign-on, you can instead choose one of the available sign-in options, such as Google, GitHub, or LinkedIn, and complete the authentication process that way. Use whichever method matches how your account was originally set up. After you successfully log in and your main workspace loads, it's a good idea to save time for future access by creating a bookmark. On Windows, press Ctrl and D. On Mac, press Command and D. When the bookmark window opens, give it a clear name like Cloudways Control Panel so it's easy to recognize later. You can place it in your bookmarks bar or a main folder so it stays easy to reach whenever you need it. Now that you're inside, let's quickly make sense of the layout. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see the Servers tab. This area is where you manage your server level settings, monitor resources, and work with system-wide configurations. Right next to that is the Applications tab. This is where you manage your websites and app-specific settings, including domains, database details, and SSL-related options. Before you move on to making changes, take a final moment to confirm that everything looks correct. Check that the right servers or applications are visible, that your account area appears normal, and that the dashboard is loading properly without any obvious issues. This quick review helps ensure you're working in the right environment before doing anything important. And that's it. You now know exactly how to find the Cloudways control panel, log in securely, bookmark it for faster access, and understand the two main dashboard sections. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.